Hey there, and welcome to another video with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an opt-in page with Clickfunnels. I'll also show you how to integrate your autoresponder into Clickfunnels. So the primary goal of collecting leads is to follow up with those leads afterwards. If you collect leads and you don't have a system to follow up with those leads afterwards, there's no point of even collecting them in the first place, because the primary goal of collecting those leads is to convert them into customers, because a lead is a prospect, right? Is details that you have about potential customers. Until you convert them into customers, they are not yet customers. There's many ways to follow up with your leads, such as emails, calls, and so on. Really, I'm not going to dive into those details now, because the goal of this video is just to show you how to create an opt-in page and integrate it with your autoresponder. So stay tuned. I see you on my PC right now. Okay, guys, here we are on the Clickfunnels website. If you don't yet have Clickfunnels, I'm going to leave a link of Clickfunnels in the description down below. Once you click on that link, it will lead you into this specific page. So this is the Clickfunnels homepage. You can come here and create an account with Clickfunnels, right? So once you create an account, Clickfunnels will offer you a 14-day free trial where you can try the platform or the software for 14 days. Before those 14 days, you can decide to cancel or carry on. This is up to you. So this is just a quick overview of what the Clickfunnels platform offers, right? And also, these are the testimonials of people who've used Clickfunnels and how they've benefited from Clickfunnels in the business. So as you can see, guys, just go through the landing page. These are the testimonials. So listen to the videos, and there are a lot more testimonials online. If you don't know more about Clickfunnels, I have a lot more videos on my YouTube channel where I talk about Clickfunnels. So go ahead, create an account with Clickfunnels. I'll also leave a link of Activecampaign in the description down below, so you can start a free trial with Activecampaign. So once you create your account, you now need to log into your members area. I'm already a member with Clickfunnels, so I'm going to log into my members area now. This is Clickfunnels, the landing page software. In fact, there are so many things you can do with Clickfunnels. You can build landing pages, sales pages, membership sites. You're also going to need an autoresponder platform, which is called Activecampaign. The one that I use is called Activecampaign. If you don't yet have an account with Activecampaign, I'm going to leave a link of Activecampaign in the description. I believe you can try Activecampaign for 2 weeks for free. So go ahead, sign up for Activecampaign. It's free for 2 weeks. But on my experience, this is a software that I use on a monthly basis for my business, and it's great, and I highly recommend it. And once you're here, you need to click here on build a new funnel. And once you click on build a new funnel, you will be prompted with this specific screen to select what you want to build. So there are 3 objectives here. Do you want to collect emails? Do you want to sell your products? Do you want to host a webinar? So in this case, we want to collect emails. So I'm going to click the first one, choose. So, and then I'm going to name my opt-in page. Select group tag. I don't really need to select the group tag here. That's not that important. And then I will just click here on build a funnel. So far, guys, this is what the funnel offers, right? It offers us 2 steps. So there's an opt-in page, and then there's a thank you page. So opt-in page is where the customer will put the credentials, and the thank you is a page where you will say thank you for subscribing or for downloading our content, right? So that's what the thank you page is. Now, opt-in here, if you want to change anything here. So at the moment, we are using the opt-in email, and these are all the templates which are available for us. So we're going to select one of these templates. You can just kindly browse and select the one that pleases you. But in this case, I'm just going to select this one. So I'll click here on select template. So this is my template. I need to click here on edit page. So that's how my template looks like. It's very simple, very basic, right? I can get rid of this picture by clicking there and choosing the image here. Okay, now I'm going to upload an image here. So I'm going to come here and click here on upload. And then I'll just click here on add image. So this is our image. That's how it looks like. And then here where it says get instant access, I'll just say something else. Okay, so download our free guide to healthy eating, right? So here, this text here, I can just get rid of the, sorry, here I can just get rid of this. I just click here and delete this one if I don't need it. And basically, I just want to make it simple, really. Once the user will now opt in, and you see they will be able to enter the name and email and then go on, right? So here, if I don't need these details here, I can just delete it again. Guys, just get rid of what you don't need, right? If you want to embed like a video here, you can just embed a video type, or if you have like a YouTube video that you want to embed there, just go and copy the URL link and paste it there. If you want to use Vimeo, which is one of the platform that I recommend, Vimeo or Wistia, so I really like Vimeo, but if you want to use Vimeo, you can use Vimeo and just go there and paste the URL, copy the URL and paste it there. So the text here, change your text there, change your details there. Content headline, really, I don't really need to mess around with this space. I'll just delete it. Guys, I'll make my landing page simple. I really don't want to complicate my landing page. Here at the bottom is the copyright, right? Copyright 2021. I'll just edit these details here. Yeah. So if I want to add a section or a row, I can just come here on sections and click on add section. And then if I want to add like a full width, I can just drag it, right? And drag it and add it there. Now, if I want to add some rows, maybe I want to add like 2 rows, I'll just drag the 2 rows and drop it there. So now I'm going to have 2 rows here. So in these 2 rows, I'm going to add an element, which is like a headline with a large call to action. And here I'll probably add an image. Okay, so guys, play around with this area. You can come here and put your logo in here. The large call to action, if you want to put something here, you can write the text here. But guys, if you don't want to, you will just keep your landing page basic. If you want to add some space, let's just add another full width there. And in here, I'm going to add just 1. I want to add like a countdown, right? I'll just type here countdown timer or countdown watch, right? So I'll just add that there. And then I'll edit it, in my own liking. 4 a.m. I mean, guys, you know what you're doing. Play around with this detail and edit it in your own liking. Once you finish with this area, don't forget to save. There's one very important thing that you must do. So let's just save that, my opt-in page. Guys, it's very important that you name your page. So I'll name my page my opt-in page. So, and then the description here, I don't really have to put anything here on the description. And then I will just click here on save. So if you don't want this one, just get rid of it really and make your opt-in page simple. So now let's exit. We are going to go on settings. There are details that we need to sort out here. So let's click here on settings. And on settings here, our opt-in page has already been named. Domain name, we need to choose our domain name. At the moment, these are all the domain names we shall have. Like these are all the subdomain I have on my Clickfunnels account. I have a separate video where I show you how to create a subdomain. So really, I want to make this video very short. So select your subdomain here. I will select this one. A head tracking code. I'll show you. I have a separate video on how to add Facebook pixel or all the pixels, Google pixels on your landing page. Favicon, I also have a separate video on that. If you want to share your funnel with someone, you just copy that and send it to someone. If we want to connect our Stripe accounts, this is a place to do. We can connect our Stripe accounts. All these other softwares like Zapier and all that, we don't really need them now. And I'm just going to click here on save and update settings. So it has successfully been saved and updated. So guys, remember, for this specific tutorial, we didn't need Stripe, but I just added for registration purpose. So now that we've done it, we now need to edit our thank you page. So click here on thank you. And these are all the templates of thank you page, right? If you really want to go ahead with any of these templates, you can just select the template you like. So for example, and then I'll just click here on edit page. And I'm going to change this picture. I'm just randomly naming this, but guys, you may have to name it correctly, right? So I've named my page now, so everything is correct, everything is great. And let's save again. Okay, awesome. So now let's exit. And on the left-hand side here, you need to click here on integrations. These are the current integrations that we have here, but I'm going to add my integration. So what I want to integrate here is my autoresponder. And as you can see here, Activecampaign comes first here. I mean, you know, I love Activecampaign. Just try Activecampaign, you know, so and then you tell me how you feel. So there's Activecampaign here that I will take Activecampaign, and there's many others autoresponders, by the way, but I'll select Activecampaign. And then integration nickname, I'll just say, now I'll need to head back into my Activecampaign. So I'll have to copy the API key and the API URL, right? So these are the details that I need to copy. So let's head back into my Activecampaign account. This is what it looks. What you now need to do is you need to come down here to settings. And on settings, click on developer. And this, where it says the API key, let's just copy that and head back here. So where it says API key, paste it there. And now we go back, the API URL, we do the same. So this is the API URL, we've done it, and we now need to click here on add integration. Okay, Activecampaign was successfully created. And what else we need to do? Let's head back into Activecampaign. There's another things, there are other details that we need to do. So we're going to create a list. And let's add a list. URL. So it's just a way of reminding people what they opt in for. So you recently opted into our free gift. Guys, you can go ahead and edit this area as you want, but I want to make it as simple as possible. So I've now created that list, right? I need to head back here and click here on site. So on site here, I need to click on forms, and I need to create a form. So I'll name my form. Because I'm only using the basic plan at the moment, I'm only allowed to have the inline form. However, if I were using other plans, I will be allowed to use the floating, the floating bar, the floating box, and the model. So I'll just stick with the inline form for now. However, if you have other plans, yes, go ahead and use those ones. But I will show you how to use the inline form. So list here, I'll select my options. It will be my free gift, and then I'll just click here on create. Now on this area, I won't really go that crazy about it. I'll just delete what I don't really need here. I'll just delete this one. And then I'll also delete this one, right? So where it says full name, I'll essentially get the first name because I don't need the full name. I need the first name. And then I'll just get rid of the full name. So I need the first name and email. And let's make the first name mandatory, right? Let's make the first name mandatory. So just click on that and click here on required. And that's it. So here on the submit button, if you want to change that, change it, write it in your own words, and then click here on integrate. Okay, so now let's go back and edit the form. There's something that I missed. So you have both fields mandatory now. So let's go back to style. If you want to play around with the style here, please do play around with the style, the color. You know, if you're a very colorful person, please do play around with the colors. And here on options, where it says now subscribe to a list, I need to click here on opt-in options. And where it says opt-in confirmation, it basically means before the person actually receive my present or receive anything that they opt in for, they will need to confirm if they want to receive that. And I don't want to send them that type of email. So I'll just put that off. And because I want them to receive the gift straight away. If they opt in for it, so there's no need for me to ask them again if they want to opt in. And then I'll just click here on save. So these two fields are available, and then I'll click here on integrate. These are many ways that you can integrate your form. We won't use any of these, and we'll just click here on save and exit. So now that we've created our form and we need to head back into our Clickfunnels account, and I'm going to go back to funnels. I'll select my funnel here. And then I'll click here on edit. And I need to integrate our Activecampaign form into this specific opt-in page. So let's just go here on integrations, click here. So click here on integrations. And so now it says Autoresponder integration not connected, right? It says here not connected. So let me just click here, and then I'll just select the one that I want. I want Activecampaign. I'll just click on that. It will come, select, and so add to a list, right? Add to list. And now list add to, and now I need to select the list that I want. So the list that I want is called my free gift. So as you can see, my free gift list has now been connected. So when somebody opts in to this specific list, right, they will receive an email with my free gift. So now in order for them to receive that email, I'll need to set up an automation. I need to click here on automations and start setting up an automation. But guys, this is another video. I did a separate video on how to deliver your digital asset with Activecampaign. Thank you for watching this video. If you do have any questions, drop it in the comment section down below. I'll be more than willing to answer your questions. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I see you next time. Take care.